good morning.
Morning, pa.
Na Apomboko there.
I don't be not doing Apomboko.
Yeah, the Janko pass it. Now, the boy would you go away? What do you know? Pomu and I say, what yes, Montezo?
Share, me turn on me share Chama to me, and then more fire. But yeah, now, station, any wound to meet a TV station. Why shadow far now only attitude.
Right. Mammy came Musa say none what I'm going to do now what say Nipa Manya Fedu watch air chronos about to come and new voter register. Ubedio manim na wangasa dia court no. Sana Montuan wapem so could do sana so dear. Whatever be din and won't show the Becos answer.
Oh, my making the necessary preparation. And I think say it's a must. And the EC know very well, and all the lawyers in this country know very well, say, you cannot deny with the 18 years. All you're willing is over to Abba, say, on to Abba. The right to vote no, is so paramount, saying everything. And so be it to mix energy. Into those people know everything. Into those say, EC no, at there say, obey elections, no rely only on the old voter register. Yamma who crying, Emma Omo person new entrance, no Eberesana. Then some of us will go to court to put an injunction on the election as a whole. And I can assure those who are calling for new voter register, they say they will fail. Those who are resisting new voter register, no, say you know, they will fail in their attempt because one, the registration of fresh voters no, will still have an issue with when they say social distance. Number two, whether even we rely on the social, we rely on the old voter register, the problem of social distance will be okay. Very well said. Even it will be safer to organize and then have a new voter register than to vote on the day. Oh, watch out! You're able to register. We can take 1 month, 2 months. Next, PC, you have a social distance. But on voting day, it is 1 day. They're starting from 9 o'clock to 5 hours. It's a 1 day affair. And can you imagine the number of people who mass up to go and vote? And no, vote. And then they invalid social distance, but registration it I may take it 1 month, I go 2 months, I'm over to now observe social distance. Some people like NDC resisting it. They are a joke, they are bunch of jokes. So if they will not allow for new voter register, then we are going to wait for the coronavirus to pandemic to end. It take it 2-3 years, and then the president of the Republic of Ghana will continue to reign as the president until we have a new voter register, and then we are safe to vote.
Right. Now, Menimsa and Amontu and Kabato Commission episode 2 our escape hotel, Pram, Awanum, and then there's some judge at the Quadra Court, a mu judgment, a film, a bayna, a winning. Now, amount for be a success. And I'm on to some judge a dini padom Edibora Sabi Ahonono womu flouted the Public Order Act. Answer the bedis as some komono Public Order Act fire from Kakra and Sanya Bassam Judge Assembly Sopa.
In the Public Order Act, no, to ensure say anytime there should be a public gathering, an assembly of people, no, you need permission from the police to clear to determine what the purpose of the gathering. It depends, sorry, when you gather without a reasonable purpose, no, it's an offense. It can be an offense. Because people can gather to cause mayhem, and people can gather to cause violence. And your purpose of your gathering, no, should be monitored by the security agencies. It is a who mobilizing about 100 without informing the police why you are mobilizing them. It's an offense. And I don't see the reason why the police is sitting down and watching some judge and those people who gathered. And we have evidence of those the gathering. They should have, by this time, no, invited some gentlemen and those who organized it and then they should be charged before the court of law because the gathering was unlawful. And I violated the same principle now. Easy for violating the social distance principle. No, I'm in the West. None of them who went there even cry when they say washing their hands, no sanitizer, and there was no face mask. Then there was no social distancing, and you people are calling for easy. Look, let me send a strong signal to the judge now. Or some court case was no. He has done a big disservice to the nation.
But for example, I would say,
let's say judge not case no. It's a big disservice to the nation. Big disservice, even to grant the injunction. What was the basis for the judge granting that injunction? One-sided injunction. You know very well, said the EC is highly independent. Nobody decide for the EC. Nobody direct them. The Supreme Court on several occasions have made a clear determination. Say nobody can order the EC. Nobody can interfere with the work of the EC unless the EC is violating the Constitution. Therefore, I don't see why a judge utra ekunemu na obidi frivolous matter base what you say EC workshop. Now we didn't give EC the opportunity to be heard. At least how the some could say serve the EC with the notice of your injunction, because there's no agency. There was no agency. I didn't see any agency. And then too, it was so diabolic. So you went and lied to the court. You throw that in the eyes of the court, created an impression as if the EC is violating a law. And the judge granted a specific order for you to now turn around and then you want to cite the EC as if the EC is wrong. The judge who started the matter must go once back and read the authorities on the decision of the Supreme Court. Okay, 2012 election petition. Who watch said Judge Atukuba per the majority. Almost say MPP a lose case and say Atukuba in this judgment can say EC are mandated to run an election or running elections. Now translation high court, because the court is not in the business of interfering with EC's activities and any rulings. And now these are famous within Shiba say elections are won in police at the police stations. So the Supreme Court has said in several authorities that they are not interested in interfering with the business of the Electoral Commission because they don't have a mandate to run the commission. So there's no way out any court of law can injunct the EC when the EC is doing its business. So in my legal opinion, the judge was wrong. We did big time in attempt to injunct the EC when he's doing a little business. No. What was the reasons? What the judge said the reasons in the saying? I'm expecting the Chief Justice to summon the judge who sat on the matter. They should I'm expecting the EC to petition against the judge. Nobody justify why he granted the interim injunction, even for a limited time. And you know, because he knew that the law doesn't back him, instead of every interim injunction is for 10 days expiration. But the judge was not confident, so he gave only 4 days. Why should you give it 4 days? Yes. Normally, when you are going for interim injunction, the court grants you 10 days period. But this judge granted only 4 days. So it means that the judge was not comfortable when he was granting the interest. But I'm saying pressure be the better so. So I mean, who's saying this phone number? Some told you and the line of intimidation. What I say, and you are giving a ruling, you are not confident with it. I want that judge should be summoned before the Chief Justice. That is why it's not the prejudice. This is Aqua Assembly. Or best someone will say, Minya Braha, who's High Court judge, who's Supreme Court judge. Say, Electoral Commission by Yeni Juma. Now, work on injunction. What the injunction according to Electoral Commission? So, if the Electoral Commission today, I can say, Electoral Commission today, I can say, near some judge, any judge, no, why you know, any Sesiano, or organizing any election because injunction be done so. Whose office? Is the NDC whose office? And I mean, many Jemensa, like I say, injunction that means, I'm not going to organize an election at all. Because if a court, you can sit down and injunct at each. What is the legal basis for that? I'm disappointed in the judge who was once my classmate. I'm so disappointed in him.
So electoral commission court back to the court, and I say omu petition the chief justice now. What should be their prayer? Debaina woman question as chief justice enyama omu.
The petition the chief justice said they didn't understand why the judge should come and explain why he granted that interim injunction for 4 days. What was the legal basis? What was the legal basis? You see, injunction is a very serious weapon. They destroy the maybe. You must be very, very careful in granting. And granting injunction by heart, it's like a arrest warrant. An arrest warrant, you granting rough, because the moment you are granting injunction, you are creating hardship. You are creating inconvenience. You are going to stop somebody from enjoying his right. You are going to create inconvenience and interfere with somebody's right. The EC has the power and the right to organize elections per the Constitution. Then you enjoin the EC not to do his work. So the judge must be summoned. I'm expecting the EC to petition the Chief Justice so that the judge will be called upon, offer docketing Yambra, no unjustified why as a judge, looking at the rules of court. Do you give injunction by heart? Do you think we can give injunction by heart? Especially against an independent and essential institution like the EC. And I'm disappointed in what say Deputy Attorney General. What say Otami. Yes, yes. Instead of attack the ruling, don't attack the judge, but attack the ruling. So what was it? But I don't know now. I don't know educator. Or I don't know educator now. Or teach them and near judge. So what I could you are attorney, and the judge has given a wrong and a very dangerous ruling now, affecting a legally mandated institution from working. And you be the Attorney General. Instead of you being upset and annoyed the way I'm accepted and anointed. You see, we must send signals to our judges that they can make or not make Ghana our democracy. I'm telling you, it's not every frivolous and vexatious application they grant you. You can't grant an application and now you see how the EC is being ridiculed and insulted and attacked just because you, the judge, you failed to do the right thing. I'm saying it on authority. Let everybody put him on notice. If I were to be the ECC, I would petition the TCSs to call upon the docket and to investigate the judge and the circumstances under which he granted the interim injunction against a state institution like the Electoral Commission, while the Supreme Court has made it clear that they are not under any control and direction, and you cannot interfere with their activities.